Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to demystify the world of cybersecurity by breaking it down into three simple yet powerful acronyms. We'll be covering the what, the how, and the who of cybersecurity. So, let's start with the what. What are the primary goals of cybersecurity? This is where the C.I.A. Triad comes in. First up, confidentiality. This is all about keeping our sensitive information secret and accessible only to authorized individuals. Next, we have integrity. This ensures that our data is reliable and has not been tampered with. And finally, availability. This means making sure our systems are up and running and accessible to users when they need them. Now that we know what we're trying to achieve, let's talk about how we do it. This brings us to our second acronym, P.D.R. P stands for prevention. This is our first line of defense using technologies like multi-factor authentication to stop attacks before they happen. D is for detection. This involves monitoring system activities to identify any suspicious behavior. And R is for response. When a threat is detected, we act fast to manage the attack and, minimize its impact. So we have the what and the how, but who is responsible for all of this? That's our final acronym, P.P.T. First and most importantly, people. We need trained individuals to operate our security systems and honestly make those critical decisions. Alright, so next is process. We really need well-defined procedures and policies to guide our people and our technology. And finally, technology. The tools are essential, but they are only as good as the people and processes behind them. So, there you have it. But remember, the work of a cybersecurity professional is never done. Attackers are working around the clock, which means our defenses need to be vigilant 24/7. I hope this breakdown was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to Software and Tech with Inamul for more. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.